Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of Miss Ku and Miss Su, chapter 124. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Xiaojin. Now, she was really surprised. Ara suddenly came in. Well, she was looking on the two of them. Is she going to be jealous? Now, seeing Miss Ara and Miss Su being together, of course, she might really feel jealous about it. And then, Miss Ara came into Suhishi's room. She really came inside. Well, definitely, she's really getting jealous about this matter. But, for Suhishi, she was only acting as natural. Now, it makes sense. I don't know how serious her injury is. Well, definitely, she got really worried about Suhishi's condition. If her injury is really too serious or not. Little Ego. The kid said to her, I tell you, I saw with my own eyes that Shang Lingyu gets back on Song Lishan. Oh, this girl, she really wants to gossip. Xiaojin, right now, stop being so gossipy and care about things that you should care about at your age. Now, she became speechless. The little girl said, for what example? The kid, she was really too cute for it. Now, Xiaojin said to her, go take a bath. Well, of course, it was getting late and the kid needs to take a bath. The little one is too cute, right? See on what will Xiaojin's gonna do to her. Now, after thinking about it, Xiaojin finally came back on her room. Fall in love with? Well, until now, she really can't help it but to think about it. About Miss Su and Ara at the next room. But of course, right now, she looked back and turned. Is she going to take a bath? It seems that she's going to. Seems to be tired. And also, she got really work off today. Well, since she was going to rest, she enters on the bathroom. She slams the doors and push it. Let's see on what is she going to do. Since Suhishi and Ara was still on the room, so she was locking herself on her room to avoid confusion. Someone was knocking on the door. Well, Xiaojun said, come in, the door is not locked. Well, who is the person who's knocking right now? It is Miss Su or something else? Well, definitely right now, it was Miss Su. She was opening the door gently. Looking at her face, she seems to be sad. Well, look at her. She looks really serious and why suddenly she's going to approach Xiaojin. Xiaojin said, why did you came in? Now, she got the clothes to cover herself. More on versatile. And she was really blushing when she see that Suhishi was seeing her like that. Now, back to Suhishi, I knock on the door, so I am unwelcome. Well, still, her face, she seems to be sad. Is there anything bad happened to her? That's why she looks really sad. Back to Xiaojin, that's not what it means. Now, she was shaking her head. Did you go to the hospital for examinations? Are you injured? Xiaojin, she got really worried about her, looking at her face. But, Suhishi, no, it's raining, my phone is down, I can call Chowling. I'm taking care of my leg vein and put some medicine oil. Now, it makes sense. Still, she looks really sad. Well, for Xiaojin right now, she got really worried. What about Miss Song? She went back for something. Now, looking at Xiaojin, why suddenly Miss Song was leaving her like that? She got injured. Well, she doesn't care about her. Now, Suhishi, I have some medicine here. If you can make do with it, use it first. Xiaojin said to Suhishi. Suhishi's eyes, still, it was like a doll. She looks really sad. Xiaojin, she got busy on finding the medicine. But Suhishi said to her, can you help me with the medicine? So it turns out she really want her to take care of herself. But of course, right now, Xiaojin, even if it's really inconvenient for her, it's okay. After all, your leg injury can get rid of me. Xiaojin said to herself. Now, It really makes sense. Sajin said, "It's hurt here." Now, Suhishi was looking at her, and she was gently holding her feet. Well, it was really painful. But for Suhishi right now, she's trying to reach out and point out which part of the body is getting injured. Of course, but of course, Xiaojin, she was really sincere about this. Now, she put the medicine on her hand. So, Suhishi will be comfortable and also feeling at ease. Well, it turns out Xiaojin, she really can calm herself. Suhishi said, "It's so hot." "You, what did you say?" Suhishi said, "I say your thumbs. What are you thinking?" But Suhishi right now, "I have nothing. I didn't think about it. But you, don't think about it." Suhishi, she was looking at Shoji, who was trying to defend herself. Well, she was stealing at her time. The two of them being together like this, of course, it was really a sweet thing. Looking at Xiaoju, suddenly she was smiling. Maybe she remembered about the fuss that the two of them are always like this. Well, I haven't seen her smile for a long time, Xiaojing said to herself. Well, maybe Miss Su, she really misses her so much. That's why, by doing this, it's like a reminiscence of the fuss. Suhisha said, "By the way, what do you want to say?" Xiaojin said to her. Well, maybe this too. We'll really get back to each other sooner. But of course, right now, I want to apologize to you. What I did during the day was wrong. So it turns out, Suhishi is already calmed down. Now she was apologizing to Xiaojin. But Xiaojin, at this moment, suddenly hold on. I've never had other lovers before, let alone experience of breaking up. So it's inevitable. I will be a little extreme, Suhishi said to her. It's really a kind of sweet, right? I think I should learn from you. Even if there's no love, there will be no resentment or any hypocrisy. Well, that was a good choice. She should really learn from Xiaojin. Now, finally, Suhishi, realizing, she said sorry to her. She's getting too rough on her. She was thinking something. Now, it makes sense. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!